So today I will teach you how to make a Google Slides for your investigation and your presentation. So you'll go onto your Google account and go onto Slides, and you're going to start with a blank presentation. Now I'm already in the middle of one, so I'll show you this one. It's going to start you off with a title page or a title slide. So this is our title slide. Oops, I spelled that wrong. Okay, so you're going to put the title that fits your topic best, and then your name. Now I will show you what the slide looks like before you put this all in. This is click to add title, click to add subtitle. After I did that, I chose my theme, like that. Next, I added a title and body slide for my first environmental issue. You're going to put the environmental issue in each slide, so it would be one per slide. So essentially you should have 4 slides, including your title slide. Like so, I did here. My second slide is global warming, the cause, the effect, and ways we can prevent this issue. Very simple, very organized, nothing too crazy. My next slide, to add a slide, you would hit new slide, and it will pop up here as a blank slide. My next slide is pollution. So I chose a different layout, and I used the title and 2 columns. So my title is pollution, and my 2 columns are cause and effect. Then to create the ways we can prevent this issue, I inserted my own text box. So you click insert and then text box, and you can create any size text box you want. For the next slide, I will add a title and body slide again. You can make it your third environmental issue. So here I will use, let's go back to my article. I can use overpopulation. So I'm going to go back to my slides. And then I'm going to put the cause, effect, and then ways we can prevent. Just like that. So we don't need to do anything fancy. Up here we can adjust the fonts, this font size. So we do want to make sure the class can see all of the words from where they're sitting. So I'm going to make this 36. We could adjust these a little because they're a little small. We'll make them 24, just like that. We could also play around with the font. So if we don't like this one, just like in regular Google Doc, Times New Roman, Arial. Let's do Comic Sans, just like that. When you are done with your Google slide, make sure you share it with all your group members. So you hit share, enter their name. So I'm just going to enter my email just for a show, and then send to the person. Then when you're ready to present your slide, you hit present, and it comes up big like this. just like that. And that is pretty much how you use Google Slides. And this will help for our class to stay focused on your topic, because instead of reading articles and articles about environmental issues, we could share on what we found in each group, and it is a more entertaining way and more motivating way to share our investigation.